Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Tesla screen cleaner is probably one of the most sought-after car accessories for Tesla owners, ensuring your touchscreen remains pristine and responsive. This video will dive deep into what makes a great Tesla screen cleaner, exploring various options, and ultimately helping you choose the perfect product to keep your Tesla's display looking its absolute best, while maintaining its functionality and extending its lifespan. We will analyze different formulas, application methods, and overall effectiveness to help you make an informed decision. Number 5. MagicFiber Microfiber Cloth. Say goodbye to smudges and streaks. These premium cloths are perfect for cleaning your glasses, screens, and more. Made from the highest quality microfiber, it effortlessly lifts away dust, oil, and fingerprints, leaving your surfaces sparkling clean. It's so gentle, it won't scratch or leave lint behind. Ideal for glasses, lenses, and all your screens. From eyeglasses and phone screens to TVs and even your car, it's the ultimate all-purpose cleaning cloth. Each cloth comes individually packaged, ensuring they're always clean and ready to use. You get 6 cloths in total, 5 black and 1 gray. Experience the magic of a spotless clean with MagicFiber. It's the perfect way to keep the things you care about looking their best. What we like. If you need a versatile cleaning cloth for various delicate surfaces, this is your best bet. It's reusable and comes in a pack, ensuring you always have a clean cloth on hand. If you prioritize value and convenience, this option is perfect for you. What people say. It gets stuff that would have taken 1,000 wipes with other towels or paper towels and Windex. No streaking, no scratching. Removes fingerprints and oils without leaving lint or streaks. Complete fingerprint removal without moisture. Number 4. EVEO Screen Cleaner Kit. Say hello to the EVEO Screen Cleaner Kit, your new best friend for sparkling clean screens. It's perfect for TVs, computers, tablets, and more. This screen cleaner is safe for even the most delicate screens, including LCD, LED, OLED, and CRT. It works on all major brands, so you can use it with confidence. The kit includes a super soft microfiber cloth designed to leave your screen streak-free and shiny. It's highly absorbent and won't shed fibers. Cleaning your screens has never been easier. Simply spray the solution onto the cloth and wipe. It's quick, easy, and effective. We're confident you'll love the results. This kit provides a convenient and effective way to keep your screens clean and looking their best. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. If you prefer a spray and wipe system for a streak-free clean, this kit is ideal. It's gentle on sensitive screens and comes with a plush microfiber cloth. If you want a quick and easy solution for cleaning larger screens, this is the one for you. What people say. The big bottle lasts a long time, and it worked perfectly on my TV, laptop, and mobile phone screens. It easily removes fingerprints and smudges without leaving any streaks, and the included microfiber cloth is super soft and effective. The spray, combined with the microfiber cloth, leaves no streaks or smudges, just a crystal clear screen every time. It doesn't have a harsh chemical smell, and it's gentle on the screens, especially for my more expensive devices. The spray and cloth work perfectly together, leaving screen spotless without any streaks. It's great for laptops, TVs, and computer screens. Super easy to use and high quality. Number 3. Calyptus Screen Cleaner Kit. This kit is carefully crafted with quality in mind, ensuring a superior cleaning experience for all your screens. It includes 2 spray bottles and 4 microfiber cloths for thorough cleaning. Say goodbye to generic microfiber cloths. Our specially designed cloths are perfect for even the most delicate screens, making cleaning effortless and safe. It's highly effective on all premium screens, from 4K displays to OLED and LCD screens. It's the perfect solution for all your electronic devices. This plant-based, solvent-free formula is safe for all screens. It's alcohol, VOC, and fragrance-free, making it the safest and most effective choice. We're committed to providing safe, natural, and effective cleaning solutions. Your satisfaction is guaranteed, so if you're not happy, we'll make it right. What we like. If you're looking for a powerful yet gentle screen cleaner for premium screens, this is the perfect choice. It's plant-based and comes with 2 spray bottles and cloths. If you value a safe and effective cleaning solution, this option is for you. What people say. The cloths are just the right size and clean off smudges and fingerprints easily. I love that they don't leave any streaks behind. The cleaning solution is safe and gentle, with no harsh chemicals or strong smells, which makes it great for all my devices. It cleans all and left no marks or streaks. Number 2. Koala Lens Cleaning Cloth, 6-pack. It's meticulously crafted from ultra-dense Japanese microfiber. This cloth effortlessly absorbs dirt and oil, leaving your lenses spotless every time. Unlike other microfiber cloths, it's made from ultra-fine, super dense, and totally lint-free Japanese microfiber. The honeycomb matrix ensures superior cleaning power. It's perfect for all your lenses and screens, from glasses and camera lenses to VR headsets. It's gentle yet effective on all surfaces, including delicate coatings. This cloth is washable and reusable dozens of times, reducing waste and maximizing value. Simply hand wash with cold water and mild soap, and air dry. Koala is trusted by millions for precision lens and device care. We believe in providing superior performance and long-lasting value. What we like. If you need a top-of-the-line cleaning cloth for delicate optics, this is the ultimate choice. The Japanese microfiber ensures a crystal-clear clean, and it's incredibly durable. If you prioritize quality and performance, this is the perfect option for you. What people say. I had ordered the same item in a larger size last year and was so pleased by how well they worked that I ordered them again in a smaller size. I keep one of these cloths all over, to clean my glasses, the best cloth I've ever had for that purpose, as well as my phone, iPad and other screens. They work fantastically and are also washable and wear well and continue to work well. The cloth has a good quality and size. Are individually available in paper pouches for easy carry. Works great dry and with cleaning solution. I bought these to use on my glossy gaming monitor as they recommend this type of cloth to use and it works amazing. These leave no scratches and cleans the display really well. Number 1. YTT Touchscreen Mist Cleaner. This 2-in-1 kit makes cleaning your screens a breeze. It's got everything you need for sparkling clean electronics. You get a handy spray bottle pre-filled with cleaning solution and a super soft microfiber cloth. It's compact and perfect for on-the-go cleaning. It works on almost any screen. Phones, tablets, laptops, TVs, even your car's navigation system. It's the perfect all-in-one solution. The special cleaning solution and microfiber cloth easily remove fingerprints, smudges, and dirt. It leaves your screens looking brand new. Simply spray the solution onto your screen and wipe clean with the cloth. It's quick, easy, and reusable. Enjoy crystal clear screens every time. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to help. What we like. If you're looking for a convenient and easy-to-use screen cleaning solution, this 2-in-1 kit is perfect. It's compact and compatible with a wide range of devices. If you value simplicity and portability, this is the one for you. What people say. It cleans any device with a fine mist and then you clean it at the sides. It's small and easy to use. Cleans any screen and removes all fingerprints. Love that it sprays and wipes all in one. No dealing with wipes or cloths. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.